This is Aaron Fox, your 2022 president. The board of directors has heard and discussed your concerns about the new photo rules and made modifications to address your concerns. Coming soon listings and non-list sales will not require 10 photos. I do want to remind you that non-list sales are not pocket listings. Pocket listings are a clear cooperation violation and could be potential code of ethics violations. Non-list sales are not private listings. All listings must be completed and entered into the MLS. Please keep in mind, MLS is a housing database and not a marketing system. MLS data is used for marketing purposes, but its main purpose is for accurate property information and as a means of cooperation and compensation between brokers. All other property types, meaning residential, multifamily, commercial, rental, and land properties, need to have 10 photos. We understand this is a hot take, but it is a strategic, well thought out decision with the purpose of becoming a stronger MLS in the long run. Accurate and valuable data, including pictures, improve the industry for all. Photos serve 3 MLS stakeholders: home buyers who rely on the quality of photos in their home search, other real estate agents who don't want to waste their time or energy showing homes to people who could have ruled the properties out by looking at the photos, and appraisers who rely on MLS data when doing valuations. We are not neglecting home sellers in this effort. We understand there may be privacy concerns. To ensure clients are protected, you can easily make photos private so only MLS participants can view them. The required photos are as follows: front elevation, kitchen, bathrooms, living room, basement or lower level finished, primary bedroom, exterior features, back elevation, other structures or significant features. In the event of an unusual circumstance, please contact MLS staff at the association for assistance. Thank you very much and have a great day.